I am Dallas Frasca, and this is Soundcheck. I'm a musician, a very passionate musician who has been performing around Australia and Europe for maybe 25 years or so. An opportunity like this is like a rare gem. You know, to perform in front of this many people in Australia is just, I feel like maybe one of the biggest gifts I've ever been given as an artist. It's a huge ripple effect. I'm pinching myself. George Thorogood, he came into my dressing room and gifted me a snakeskin headband. It was definitely a moment. I've just gotten off stage. I'm full of adrenaline. I'm really grateful to have had that experience.